Dear students, welcome to class 3, lesson number 1, chapter name numbers to 10,000 and session 2. In our last video, means in session 1, we learnt about reading 4-digit number. And now representing 4-digit number on abacus. Now we'll learn how to read numbers through abacus, and we know that already how to read 4-digit number. So what is abacus? The abacus, also called counting frame, and is a calculating tool. Let us read the 4-digit number on abacus. We all know this is ones, tens, hundreds, and th means thousands. See, in one place we have 2 beads in these spikes. These we call spikes. So at one place we having 2 beads. Now, in tens place we having 1 beads in these spikes. In hundreds place we having 3 beads. Okay, 3 beads. Now, in thousands place we are having 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have one more example. See, in ones place we are having 2 beads. Okay. See, in tens place we don't have any beads. Means we'll write 0. Okay. In hundreds place we are having 2 beads. In thousand place, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are having 5 beads in thousands place. Okay. So after counting beads, we return the numbers. Now how to read this number? We read it as 4312. In second example, 5202. Now we learned how to read numbers through abacus. Someone may ask you to represent these 4-digit numbers on abacus. It's very easy. Okay. Here we know that this is in ones place, tens, hundreds and thousand. So in ones place we are having 1 digit. So we have to draw 1 bead here. Similarly, in tens place we are having 2 digit. So I am going to draw 2 bead in tens place. In hundreds place we are having 3 digit. So I am going to draw 3 beads here. Sorry. Next, in thousands place we are having 2 digit. So I am going to draw 2 bead in thousands column. Okay. Similarly, we'll do this for also. Okay. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. In ones place we are having 2 digits, and I am going to draw 2 beads in ones columns. In tens place we are having 0 digit. So I am not going to draw any bead here. In hundreds place we are having 5 digits. So I am going to draw 5 bead in 100 column. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In thousands place we are having 4 digits, and I am going to draw here 4 beads in thousands place. This is what representing 4 digits numbers on abacus.